Let's explore space together. This is a rocket! This is a planet! This is a star! This is the moon! This is an astronaut! This is a telescope! This is a galaxy!
This is a satellite.
We saw rockets, planets, and stars. Space is full of wonders. Let's explore science together. This is an atom. This is a microscope. This is an experiment. This is discovery. This is a robot. This is a magnet. This is a volcano. This is lightning. We saw atoms, robots, and experiments. Science helps us learn new things. Let's explore more amazing things in space. This is the solar system. This is a comet. This is a meteor. This is a black hole. This is a space station. This is a spaceship. This is an alien. This is gravity. We saw comets, planets, and black holes. Space is amazing and endless. Let's learn even more cool science. This is DNA. This is a cell. This is a crystal. This is a fossil. This is a dinosaur.
This is electricity.
This is a circuit. This is an invention. We learned about DNA, fossils, and inventions. Science makes life exciting. We explored space and science together. See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning!